Suppose if you are using Windows computer, you must turn on the number lock in your keyboard. So I turn on the number lock. Now you can see there is an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. I press and hold this Alt key. I am not removing my finger from this Alt key. At the same time, I am going to type in this area 128075. Okay, after typing that, I can simply release my finger from this Alt key. So if you do like that in your Microsoft, after opening your Microsoft web, then you can see that this waving and symbol are been added. And if you want to change the color also, you can select this, and from here you can change the color you want. So the keyboard shortcut for waving and sign is Alt 128075. For more videos like this, you can subscribe and listen online.